should be clean on regular basis and should be well sanitized. So if you want these changes in your school, you have to vote for voting UPF, you have to vote for school bag. And I would like to end my speech with this beautiful lines. कुछ करना है तो डट कर चल, थोड़ा दुनिया से हट कर चल. कुछ करना है तो डट कर चल, थोड़ा दुनिया से हट कर चल. लीक पर तो सब चल लेते हैं, तो इतिहास को पलट कर चल. Thank you.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, I am Tanu Damod and I hope you all know me as one of the school candidates of a school election for a president from SDP. Stand for Student Democratic Party, means that party belongs to students. And symbol for SDP is blackboard, signifies that black color is sedimentary bad, but every blackboard makes the student's life bright. What does that mean? हो सकता है कि काला रंग बुराई का प्रतीक हो सकता है कि काला रंग बुराई का प्रतीक हो, पर यही ब्लैकबोर्ड एक स्टूडेंट की लाइफ में रेनबो ले आता है. यही एक ब्लैकबोर्ड स्टूडेंट की लाइफ में रेनबो ले आता है. A team is a group of people that work together. A team is a group of people that trust each other. We SDP team trust you. With this trust, let's make a change. If you choose me, I wouldn't let you down. I tried my level best to fulfill all the policies which I mentioned above. So vote for SDP. Vote for.
On this astounding day of elections in modern school to member of the student parliament, I, Janisha Joshi, is here before you.
नमस्कार, मैं महन बिमला आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ मॉडर्न स्कूल के मीडिया चैनल पर. विद्यालय में चुनाव किया जा रहा है इलेक्शन, जिसमें बैलेट पेपर का यूज किया जा रहा है. इसमें दो चिन्ह बने हुए हैं. पहला ब्लैक बोर्ड जो SDP पार्टी के लिए है और दूसरा स्कूल बैग जो UPF पार्टी के लिए है. विद्यालय में चुनाव चालू हो गए और दोनों राजनीतिक पार्टियों के बीच में चुनावी बिगुल बच चुका है.
Let's focus the spotlight towards the main personalities of election, that is the Election Commissioner Neeta Jain ma'am. Hello ma'am.
Hello.
So ma'am, may I know your experience of today's election please?
I'm very delighted to share my today's pleasant experience with you media personals. And because of the pleasant experience, now I'm in 7th heaven and grinning ear to ear because today's modern school parliament election was conducted very smoothly, nicely, in a free and fair manner. Transparency was maintained through the entire process of election. And I'm so glad everything happened and went very nicely in an organized manner with God's grace.
Okay ma'am. Now one more question, that is what are your predictions about today's verdicts of elections?
It's very difficult to predict, but still I'm crossing my fingers and I'm praying that may the best and the deserving candidate win and hold the chair.
Okay ma'am. Thank you. It was a great interview with you and thank you for your help. Modern School Media Channel. Today we are having the party president of UPF party, Rudra Bhatt, along with us. So let's have an interview of his. So hello Rudra, how is everything going on so far?
So I divided the whole journey from deciding the party to the election voting in two phases. First is difficult phase and then a little bit easy. So in difficult phase, actually in the mind of the students, Rudra Bhatt and SDP is the same thing. They are not inseparable from each other. But this time, currently, the SDP is separate from me and I have to participate in election from UPF party. So it's very difficult to change the mind of the students from SDP to UPF and to gain support.
So do you really think that the students are supporting you this time?
Yeah, I will definitely think that students are supporting me. As my party changed, I didn't change and the determination of fulfilling the promises would never change in me. So I think the students have support for me. As you can see in the speeches and campaigning, they are going. I would request all the voters to
हमारे बीच SDP की प्रेसिडेंट रानू जी डामोर बैठे हुए हैं. वो वो आज हमें अपने विचार और उन्होंने अपने घोषणा पत्र में क्या क्या वादे किए हैं हमें वो बताएंगे।
नमस्ते, मैं रानू दामोद, एलडीपी पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट, आप सभी से अनुरोध करना चाहूँगी कि आप अपना अमूल्य आपको पिकनिक के लिए लेके जाए ताकि आप आपके फ्रेंड्स के साथ एंजॉय करें, एक मेमोरेबल लाइफ, आपकी स्कूल लाइफ की एक मेमोरी बनाए, बहुत अच्छी मेमोरी बनाए। थर्ड चीज़ हमने इंक्लूड किया है कि नए क्लब को हमने स्कूल में इंक्लूड करवाने की कोशिश करी है, जैसे कि कैलीग्राफी क्लब, योगा क्लब, फैशन क्लब, टाइप क्लब फॉर गर्ल्स, साइंस क्लब, मैथ्स क्लब इंक्लूड करना है। और हमने रखा है कि स्पोर्ट्स में भी बच्चे आगे बढ़े ताकि हम डूंगरपुर का नाम नॉट इन इंडिया
As you all can see that I am presently in the election control room of the modern school Dungurpur, and I can see that how all the things are ready for the election here. I would request the camera person to let the viewers see this room. So now let's have a spotlight of one of the polling booth officer. Hello ma'am, can I know your name please?
My name is Mrs. Manisha. Tell me.
Ma'am, can you share your personal experience as being a polling booth officer?
Sure. As being in charge of polling booth, I can see that the children are very enthusiastic. They are very exciting while casting their vote to get to their most preferable candidates. Students are keen interest. They are taking keen interest to learn about the election process. Even they are developing their creativity and decisive ability in themselves. And thus I can see that in future they will already have an experience of choosing their reliable leader. Thank you.
Thank you ma'am, it was an incredible adventure of yours and thank you for giving us your valuable time.
Hello everyone, now here is Surbi ma'am, Election Commissioner of Modern School Parliament Committee. So ma'am, I would like to ask a question to you. Ma'am, how our elections are going on and are you satisfied with it or not?
Elections are going on very smoothly in a very free and fair manner. Everyone is happy. The teachers are very happy while casting. Okay? Everyone is conducting. Everyone is helping with us very smooth manner. The teachers, the coordinators, the discipline in charges, everyone, the students are very happy while casting their vote. They know whom they wanted in their school parliament, in the meetings, and everyone. And as I am very happy while watching everything is going smoothly and thank you, ma'am.
आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे मतदान की तैयारी शुरू हो गई है। यहाँ पे मतदाताओं की लंबी कतार लगी हुई है। इससे यह स्पष्ट है कि मतदाता अपने मत के उपयोग के लिए जागरूक हो चुके हैं। इन मतदाताओं से इनके विचार जानते हैं। क्या हम आपका नाम बताएंगे?
मेरा नाम नीरज केला है।
तो हम नीरज जी से इनके विचार जानेंगे। आप अपना आज अमूल्य वोट किसे देना चाहेंगे?
मैं मेरे मतदान को गुप्त रखना चाहता हूँ।
ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है कि ये अपने मतदान को गुप्त रखना चाहते हैं। चलिए अब आप हमें ये बताइए कि आप जिस पार्टी को वोट देंगे वो आपकी अपेक्षा, आपकी उम्मीद को पूरी कर पाएंगे?
हाँ, मुझे लगता है कि मैं जिस भी पार्टी को वोट दे रहा हूँ वो मेरी अपेक्षाओं को पूरा करेगी, क्योंकि मैं उन्हें इस उद्देश्य से वोट दे रहा हूँ कि वो हमारी मांगें पूरी करेगी। और मैं जिस भी पार्टी को वोट दे रहा हूँ उनका पिछला राजनीतिक रिकॉर्ड यह रहा है कि उनने अपने सभी वादों को पूर्ण किया और कोई भी झूठा वादा नहीं किया है। उनके सभी वादे स्कूल और बच्चों के लिए विकास के लिए रहे हैं।
धन्यवाद आपका समय देने के लिए। अब हम Now here is Surbi ma'am, Election Commission of Modern School. Now I would like a question from Surbi ma'am. Ma'am, how is election going on and are you satisfied with it or not?
As you all can see that how election is going on, it's very smooth, it's very healthy manner. As the coordinators, as the discipline in charges,
How is the students are coming in enormous number and participating in the elections enthusiastically. So now let's talk to one of the students about what she thinks. Hello, can you tell me your name please?
Yes, my name is Princess.
Okay, so whom do you think should win the elections this time?
I think UPF should win this election because their manifesto is so trustworthy, specific, realistic and achievable. The leader is also so focused and passionate towards his responsibilities.
Okay, so what are your other aspirations from your party?
My aspiration is as simple as that they should stand on their promises made to all of us. They should complete their responsibilities wisely. Their decision should be for the welfare of all the students, including this I have one demand also. And that is to add a club, that is a public speaking club. This will not only help the students to improve their skills, but they can also overcome the stage fear.
That would be very nice, thanks.
चलो हम जॉर्जी से पूछते हैं कि वो आप अपना वोट किसे देंगे। ये दूसरे मतदाता है जो अपना वोट को गुप्त रखना चाहता है, ये तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है। तो अब हमें ये बता दीजिए कि आप जिस पसंदीदा पार्टी को वोट देने जा रहे हैं वो उनको खुद को बेहतर बनाने के लिए और क्या प्रयास करने चाहिए।
मेरी पसंदीदा पार्टी को स्वयं का भला न सोचकर समाज के भले का कार्य करना चाहिए, यही मानव धर्म है। मेरी पसंदीदा पार्टी को समाज की आवश्यकताओं को ध्यान में रखकर विभिन्न प्रकार की नीतियाँ बनानी चाहिए जिससे कि मानव कल्याण हो। आखिरी में मैं यह कहना चाहता हूँ कि अच्छी पार्टी वही है जो अपना कर्तव्य पूरी निष्ठा से निभाए और जो लोगों के महत्वपूर्ण वोट को तन मन और धन से
Repeat after me. I do hereby swear that I will discharge all the assigned duties honestly, without any failure, for the progress of the school. I will abide by the rules of the school parliament. Thank you.